Yes. So second chapter we were discussing. So here we have the 4 points. One is introduction, guidelines, principles, and theories. So we had discussed introduction, guidelines, and principles we were discussing. In principles also 4 points were there. So in this, these were the principles. So determine the user's task levels. So identifying the task. So 5 parameter interaction levels. This one we were discussing and got time up and we have stopped it. Now let us see how it will be working. So identifying task over and choose the interactive styles in principles. So how to direct manipulator, we'll see that one in that. So we were discussing direct manipulator. So already we had discussed direct manipulator that day. So next is menu selections. So menu selections is nothing but you know that what is the advantages of the menu selections, how it will be happening. So menu selections is nothing but what? Menu selections is nothing but what? Menu selection is a graphical interface. So menu selections is nothing but you are when you are doing projects, some of the menu items will be there, or when you are opening Microsoft Word, you will be having menu items and all. So how it will be? That once is nothing but what? So when you are opening, just for example, if you are clicking new, what will happen? So just it will open one file. So there is nothing but shortcut forms will be available. That is what the menu selections. So menu selections is nothing but you have the windows in that some of the options they are given with respect to the shortcut keys. So that one is called the menu selections. So menu selections here, short run learning. So short run learning. So that is what the here reduce the keystrokes, structures decision making, and permits use the dialog management tools, allow user support for error handling. So that is what the menu selections. So here is the disadvantages is nothing but presents the danger of many menus, may slow frequent users because when you have given the maximum graphical user interfaces also it will struck the system. So how much is required, that much only we have to give it. Requires the rapid display rate. Requires the rapid display rates. These were the menu selections. So menu selections is nothing but what? So here the users related listed items will be available. So users allowing to select the items. With respect to the programmers, so which languages we have to use it, that we'll be discussing later. So all these things, how to give the interfaces. So when you are developing, what precautions you have to take it, and when it is coming to the users, what they have to do it. So next is form filling. So form filling is nothing but where when you are entering the data entries. So how to fill that one. So here also you have to take care some of the things. Form filling is nothing but easy way of filling. So if you are giving complicated, it is very difficult for the users to understand. So data entries should be simple. For example, if you take date of birth, so initial stages they were giving system also there, it is asking you have to enter dd YY something like that. So now what will happen, directly you are using the drop up box. So there you can choose the year and you can choose the date and month, everything. So just data entries, it will be easy for us. So when you are giving the some of the data entries, so wherever it is possible to make it easy. So that means what? Why we have to give all these things means in the database when it is stored, I want to retrieve the data January month. For example, date of birth, if you take it, so overall born 1990 or 1995. So that year or particular month, I want to select it. So in that case, we can be able to. select easily. That is what the form filling. Form filling is nothing but what? So you have to make it easy wherever it is possible. The data entry is required. So that means wherever it is possible to menu items, all these things you should be able to give it. So that is what the you have to do that one in form filling. So you see what they have given is simplifies the data entry. Simplifies the data entry means when you have given options to the customers, they should be able to easy. So they don't have patience to enter all the details. So when we are going for the purchasing the items and shopping malls and all, what will happen? They will give the coupons and all. So just they will ask us the name and phone numbers and bit address. So in that case, what will happen? So suppose if they ask us to write entire details or some other things and all, family details, all these things, nobody will enter that. So that is the reason data entry wherever it is available with respect to the customers. So you should give it options to enter easily. So that is what this one. So with respect to the systems, you have to design such a way that form films. So wherever it is easy way of entering, that one can be done it properly. That is what a form filling. So simplifies the data entry, requires more training, gives convenient assistance, and permit use from management tools. So permits use the form of the management tools. So management tools is nothing but here is so for us. That's what I told you. Management tools is nothing but so when I want to retrieve the data. So when you are giving shopping malls and all, what will happen? Just they will say the coupons and all will enter it and come. So some company they'll call us. Sir, do you want credit loan or home loan or some other things? And so how they are getting all these things because of this only. So what they will say us, just you enter it, sir. Lucky coupon will be there. Just will not see, will not think only. So just will enter it and come. They will sell it for the business purpose. That is what happening. That is what shopping malls and all. Nowadays, I am not entering any coupons as if they give it. You only enter it and give it to that one. Unnecessarily disturbance when we are working. That calls and all. So that is what the form filling. So consumes the screen space. Consumes the screen space. That is what the form filling. Next, command line languages. So command line languages is nothing but what is the command line arguments? Command line languages. Command line languages is nothing but, for example, if you take Unix, what will happen? So interactions between the commands whenever you are entering, it is interaction between the system and you. So for example, if I enter the date command, what will happen? It is the interactions. So when it is happening, this one for frequent users command languages. So with respect to the programmers, okay, command line arguments and all we can do it. When you go for the customers and all, we cannot give it this. So command line arguments is nothing but whenever you are doing this, it should be easy to understand. So even if you are giving any commands, update systems, all these things, so they should be able to do it. That one, that is what easily you have to give that one. So that is what the command line. It should be flexible, appears to post to the users appears to the post to the users. So even if you take the systems also, so sometimes some of the commands you have to Unix, if you take it, some of the commands you have to restart it. So whenever you are doing projects or something, so higher versions whenever you are using, you have to start the services. In that case, it should be easily to type it for us also. So otherwise, what will happen every time we cannot go to the shop and we cannot tell them to restart the systems or we cannot take every time customer support. That is what happening. So now what we have to do is it should be flexible command line languages. So command line languages is nothing but should be flexible means. So for example, if you take the Unix, what will happen if you are entering the date, automatically all the dates will be coming. So that's what the simple way command line languages also with respect to programmers or with respect to the users. That is what the command line arguments. Next is natural languages. So natural languages is nothing but what? Natural languages. So ordinary languages is nothing but relieve the burden of the learning syntaxes. So natural languages is nothing but so whatever the languages you are developing for that, it should be easily for us to develop that one. So what, for example, here also you have C. So now unique data structures, when you are learning, you are feeling bit difficult to learn. So next, what will happen? Ada also same thing. When you go for Python, what will happen? There you can learn it very easily. So all these things commands only. So they drag and drop natural languages. So release the burden of the learning syntaxes. So you should relieve the burden for the learning syntaxes. So that means what? Such a way that you have to give the bit free tools, all these things. So easily, which language is comfortable for that. So when you are able to solve it the simple way, so try to go for that one. That's what I used to say, the examples. So you have the informations like student name, user number, marks 1, marks 2, marks 3. I want to enter only my subject marks. So for example, register number, name, ADA 18 MCA 33, 18 MCA 38. So in that case, which programming is best means somebody will suggest C, somebody will suggest C++, somebody suggested DBMS, somebody suggested, nobody has suggested AWK. So I have suggested AWK. What will happen? Just enter the text file and just cut that field and display it. So within 10 to 15 minutes, you can be able to finish that one. So that is what the which language is comfortable for that particular languages. You should be able to choose that. That is what you have to do it. So here is choose the interaction styles is nothing but, so you should be able to, this is the five menu items are available. One is called the direct manipulations, menu selections, and form filling, command languages, natural languages. These were the interaction styles. So how you will be interacting. So direct manipulation. So sometimes, so the directly how you will be manipulating. So there is nothing but the present task skills allow the user to use it, easy to learn it. So direct manipulator is nothing but once it is coming the project to you, so you have to identify hardware software requirements. Once it is identified hardware software requirements, suppose if it is anybody don't know that, they should be able to learn it. So what, once you enter into the industry, you should have the self-learning concepts as it is required. So that's what once you see our vision they have learned it, they have given it. So self-learning. So once you do it, that one POs and all, if you see, so self-learning is most important. So here is in our program basic concepts, how to utilize that. That's what we'll be learning in these 3 years. Once you enter into the IT industry, so based on the softwares, based on their tools, they have software companies, they have their own tools. So using that, you should be able to develop it. So probably, so one language here, one will be learning 6 months. There they will be giving 5 days or 1 week sometime, or 2 weeks maximum. Sometimes they will give training, sometimes they will not give training. Also, you learn by your own and you start the projects. This one, the direct manipulator is nothing but what you should be able to by able to learn it by your own. That's what allows easy learning. So next is visibility, presentation, task concepts. So they'll give some of the things easy to learn it. That one how to learn all those things. Simple way. For example, if you take uh, Python only or C programming. So just they'll give the syntaxes, how to learn it, how to use it, that one. That's it. So simple examples within 4 or 5 days you should be able to learn it, or within 1 week. So any new tools. So that's what once you learn the basic concepts, what will happen? Higher versions always easy. So just maximum cases drag drop, all these things or facilities are available so that it is easy to learn it. So that is what the higher tools, higher versions are always easy. So once you learn C++ data structures, now Python you are saying. Next semester you will be saying .NET, mobile apps, all these things, they just easy concepts only. Only thing is we need to concentrate some of the syntaxes, how to apply, how to use it, what are the problems can be solved here. That's what you have to do it. So menu selections also we have seen. So menu selections is nothing but you have the shortcut forms. That's all. So when you have, for example, if you MS Word only, I told you. So if you click new or drawings, so drawing just it will be there. In that you will be having many options, arrow marks, rectangular box, square, or rhombus. So all items designing options are available in that one. That's what the shortcut forms. So such a way that you should be able to do it. So for users also you have to give menu items options. So by saying that they should be able to do what type of operations they want to do it, they should be able to perform that. So next is form filling. Form filling is nothing but you have to fill the easiest way. So simple way should be there. Next is command language is nothing but some of the cases command languages also are giving. So like just what that's what I told you, the commands Unix date command you take. So what will have how many users are connected to the server. So some cases they have to use the commands only. So that one also should be easy to interact with. So natural languages. So natural languages is nothing but so it reduce the to learn the languages easily. There is nothing but reduce the burden for that one. So everywhere we have the advantages and disadvantages for the choose the interaction styles. This is what the six things are there. Next, we were discussing about the next one is spectrum directions. So spectrum directions is nothing. He is nothing but. So here is some of the examples they have given is. So for example, here you have the command line argument. Command line is nothing but you have to type it something like this. So form filling. Suppose if you are filling DD, MMY like this, you can fill it. Some of the examples you can see here. So improved form filling to clarity to reduce the errors. So first one is command line is nothing but you have to type something like this. Next, when you are coming to the form filling is nothing but like this they have given is just they have given the instruction then. So but still then they improved from form filling. So form filling they have come back to like this. So separately, DD separately, YY separately. So when you are given combinedly, what will happen? Errors chances are there code that one. Next is pull down menus. So menu items is nothing but so that's what I told you already example. So date of birth if you want to enter it. So that's what if you take that example, you apply for all these things. Now here is month directly I can select it. Day I can select it. So that is what the examples. Pull down menu after meaningful names and eliminate invalid values. So that means what you are try to avoid the errors. So here is this is 2D. 2D is nothing but 2D menus to provide the context shows the valid dates and enable the rapid single selection. So once you select this, what will happen? Errors automatically got minimized. So there is no chances are there. That's what 2D, 3D, all these things. This is what the examples for the previous one. Choose the interaction styles. You have the direct manipulator, menu selection, form filling, command line languages. These were the examples for the previous one. So menu selection, form filling, command languages, natural languages, all these things. So next is we were telling initially in this principles we have the 8 golden rules and interfaces. That's what we told it. So now let us see what will happen. 8 golden rules. 8 golden rules. So here this is the 8 golden rules. Strive for consistency, cater to universal usabilities, informative feedback, design dialogue yield closure, prevent the errors, permit easy reversal of actions, support internal local of control, reduce short-term memory load. This is what the 8 golden rules to be followed in the principles. So strive for the consistency. So strive for consistency is nothing but so consistency sequences of actions should be required in the similar situations. So your identical technology should be used promotes the menus and menu items. So consistency should be required when you are whenever you are doing the projects. Whenever you are doing any projects, so strive for the consistency. So next one is cater the universal usabilities. So this is simple way. Universal usabilities is nothing but everybody should be able to use that universal usabilities. That is what we have to do it. UID user interfaces is nothing but so cater to universal usabilities. So everybody has to utilize that. For example, if you take washing machine, what will happen? So consistency. You take any one example, either light or fan or home applications or electric items, whatever it may be. So consistency also. When you are purchasing bulb, what will happen? At least it should come 1 year or 6 months, something like that. So or sometimes 2 years. Tube light means 5 to 6 years. So like this, you have to get it that one. Consistency should be required when you are doing that one. Usability is that one. Next is cater to universal usability. So when you are taking bulb from the shop, at least we should know how to utilize that, how to put it in the holder, all these things. So universal usabilities. Next is informative feedback. Informative feedback is nothing but once it is customer has taken, so we have to find out, are you facing any problems, you have to take the feedback with respect to the item. So if you take washing machine, so you have to ask any problems are there or anything else, so you can rectify it, or you can go for the automobiles, car, two-wheelers. So all these things, sometimes we'll get calls as well. So how it is working, sir, do you have any problems, sir? Or if we are having problems, directly we'll go to the showroom and we'll tell it. So these are all the problems. So next versions, whatever they are doing, so they will be developing and they will be giving properly. That is what the informative feedback is required. So they will be finding the informative feedback. Next is design dialogue yield closure. So this is nothing but sequences of actions should be organized into the groups. So sequences of actions to be taken in the group. So sequence of actions. Suppose if something goes wrong, so when it is related to the customer services, what will happen? So sequences. So when you go service sector, if you take bank or showroom, something like that. So whenever you are going, so if they are not responding properly, if they are not working properly, sometimes we'll give complaint and all. So if it is genuine means they will be taking the actions for that. So design dialogue yields closure is nothing but so that actions to be taken. So if the customer is not satisfying, if the person is not working properly, so then they have to take the design dialogue yield closure. So sequences of actions to be taken. So prevent the errors. So preventing the errors is nothing but they should be able to find out the errors. So for example, gray menu items if you are taking. Suppose if I'm clicking one, if you are able to open some more thing. So suppose if I'm trying to open one file, if it is opening instead of one file X, instead of X, it will be opening Y file. So what will happen? That one is nothing but so prevent the errors is nothing but we have to check it out. That means what? Whenever you are doing anything, so you should be work. You have to check that. So where the errors are possibilities. So like washing machine only if you are taking. So if you are pressing that whether it is working or not. So should be able to that. If you are pressing that rotation is working properly or not. So otherwise if the dresses are washing properly or not. So you have to prevent the errors. So that means what? When you are developing the program, that's what we used to say, all each and every line of the code should be, you have to check it out as a programmer. So why we are saying is you have to identify any errors are going or not. So whether the, for example, ADA, if you take whether the graph is connected or not means whether the graph is connected or not, properly working or not connected also whether it is working or not. So BFS you have done, DFS you have done. So all these things you have done it. So you have to identify the errors. That is what the preventing the errors. So you need to identify where the possibilities are there to go the errors. So wherever you have doubt, you have to check it out. So that means what? Whenever you are developing the code, every line of the code you have to check it out. That is what the errors preventing. That is what the test cases also we are doing. So they are checking for all the test cases. For example, if you are developing one person, so you assume that when you are making the server and you are releasing for the customers, so maybe at a time 1,000 people are accessing that, whether it will support that one or not. For example, university results you are seeing. So what's happening? At a time, if they are giving, some lakhs of the people trying to access, or if you take board exams, like as a 10th class, PU first year, second year, all these things if you take compared to engineering, still more students are there. So server, what will happen? Once this is results out, so sometimes even if you enter, it will not work properly. So that precautions when you are to be taken when you are uploading all these things. So with respect to the examples, you can say one example I can tell you. So you assume that what is surrounding us available. So that examples you can take to analyze, and based on that you have to write it here. So everything here with respect to examples only we have to take. Then only we can understand. So next is permit easy reversal of actions. So permit easy reversal of actions is nothing but action should be reversible. So if that is, if we are going one way, if it is not coming, so actions to be taken a reverse. Next is support internal locus of the control. So here is experience users strongly desire to sense that they are changed to the interface and that the interface is respond to the actions. So that is what the supporting internal locus of the control. So supporting the internal locus of the control. Next is reduce the short-term memory load. So reduce the short-term memory load. So short-term is nothing but temporary memory allocations. So try to avoid that. So whatever you are doing, the operations should be stored into the permanently. This is what the under this principles 8 golden rules. Next is the last one is preventing the errors. So preventing errors is nothing but these are all the prevent the errors. So a limit errors of the users can make. So gray out menu items. So colors also. So prevent items is nothing but like this. For example, if you take it, some other examples preventing the errors. So instead of this color, if you give it here, this is also white. So what will happen? So it is not able to identify only. So if it is foreground, background, both colors are if you are making same, so it is very difficult. Or entire menu if you are making the same colors, so identifying where to click all these things. See here arrow mark is there. If it is not arrow mark, entire thing white is available means it is very difficult. So that is what the limit errors to users can make it. Gray out of menu items that don't apply it. So no characters in the numerical field. So no characters will be the numerical field. So whenever you are having the numerical values, you give only the numerical values. So characters are not allowed here. That is what the in case of errors. Delete the errors. In case of errors, it is coming delete the errors. Simple, constructive, and specific instructions. So you have to give the simple and constructive and specific instructions. You have to give the specific instructions. Suppose if you are giving the errors, what to be done. So just either you are doing dialog box to cancel that, or you have to restart that one, or you have to restart the application or restart the system, whatever it may be. The instructions should be clear if the errors comes. So what to be done? So sometimes we are saying system it goes infinite loop, what we'll do, we'll restart it. That is what the final. So there when the applications are running, so cannot be done like that. What is the errors? Suppose if error comes, that means when I'm typing something, instead of number, if I'm typing characters, it should show the message it is allowed only integers. So that means what dialog box message boxes should be displayed. So before processing the next statement, there itself you need to give the clarifications here itself, so that you are stopping here itself to users to enter properly in case of errors if you are finding also. So because other end destination end, because maybe education less or uneducation, whatever it may be, everybody should be able to use that. That is not the, as a programmer we need to take care of everything. That's what some of the cases I used to say, the ATM card examples. So there what's happening is, so every precautions you have to take it. Just existing amount, whatever you are taking amount. So that is, you have to subtract from the existing amount and remaining to be updated. That is what only one row work. before that, when you go to the ATM, how many steps to be followed. So whether when you are inserting the card, whether that is valid or not, whether it is identifying the system or not. So once it is identified whether the PIN number is correct or not. Once it is PIN number correct, then amount is there or not. All these things, precautions to be taken care as a programmer. So that is what you have to identify the errors or preventing the errors, all these things. So with respect to 111. So here some examples they have given is, so next is one more is a calendar. So calendar is nothing but like this. You have to display it properly, then they can be able to select that one. So that is what they have to do the preventing the errors. So next one is, so here is error rate is typically higher than the expected. So what are the common errors for us? So what are the common errors is nothing but this is where the common errors. When you are as a programmer, when you are developing coding side will be coming. When the customer end, if you are going for typing errors and dialing, grammar, so all these things possibilities of the preventing the errors. So that is the reason we have to take care of the all those things. Yes. So that means what you have to identify the errors. Next is how can we design software to reduce them. So how can we design software to reduce them? So better error messages. So what to be done for the better error messages? So here is specific, positive and constructive. So that is what they are doing. So here is printer is off. Please turn on instead of illegal operations. Help us fix current errors. So these were the better error messages. Better error messages is nothing but that's what I told you. As a user, as a uneducated person, they may not be knowing all these things. Suppose if unknowingly entered something also, instead of entering some number characters, if they entered also, so there itself you have to show the message you enter only numbers. So that is what you have to write as a programmer. So that is what the example says here. Next is reduce the chance for the errors. So let me complete this. Next is help to reduce the similar errors, increase is satisfaction, so that you can increase the satisfaction for the users. Next is reduce the chance for error. So that means what? Here is reduce the chance for the errors. So here is how to reduce that one. Organizing information screens and menus. So if you are developing like screens and menu items, so easily you can reduce the items instead of searching something. So directly if they are giving menu items, so it is easy to reduce the items. Next is commands and menu choices should be distinctive. So commands and menu choices should be distinctive. So where to use commands, where to be used menus, menu items, all these things should be distinctive. Next is state of the interfaces should be known. State of the interfaces should be shown. Next is consistency of the actions. Consistency of the actions, either yes, no, order buttons. So if you give like this, automatically you can identify the errors and you can reduce the errors. So normally we can say identifying the errors is nothing but where the chances are there to get the errors, and where the remove the errors is nothing but, so how to remove the errors. So that is nothing but, so unknowingly if you enter. So for example, when you are doing binary search, linear search, what will happen? Just it will ask you to enter the numbers. For example, if you take binary search, so it will ask the numbers. Next is, for example, 50 numbers means you have to enter the 50 numbers. So instead of entering 50 numbers, so if they ask somewhere characters, what will happen? So that's what you have to identify and you have to reduce that. So whenever the customer is entering the characters, so you should be able to enter it, tell it, the message box should come, so you enter only. So that is not allowed to do the processing for that program. So such a way that you have to do that. That is what they preventing the errors and identifying. Not only that, and you have the coding, typing errors, all these things. So all these things you should be identified. So how to identify is nothing but this one. Next is next. Can you see two diagrams here? Shashank? Shashank? Madhushree? Madhushree? Can
Sir,
you see the diagrams here? What
yes, sir.
diagram is that? What is the diagrams? What diagrams you are seeing there? Are you seeing any diagrams here? Okay. Madhushree,
Sir,
what type of diagrams you are seeing here?
sir, ಒಂದು ಲಿಫ್ಟ್
Lift. Okay.
ಲಿಫ್ಟ್ ಡೋರ್ ಇದ್ದು
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು
ಫ್ಲೈಟ್ ಸರ್.
flight. So two diagram preventing the errors is nothing but see now elevator can open the doors until not moving. So here is elevator is there cannot open the doors until not moving. So some of the showrooms we are seeing the windows and all. When the person is moving there, then only it will open it. So that is one. Aircraft also, aircraft engines cannot go in reverse unless landing gear is down. So this is also possibilities. That is what the corrections of correct actions to be taken. So otherwise it is very difficult. What will happen? So flight correct actions, if it is not taking care, what will happen? Huge losses. So here also same thing. When it is moving, objects is moving, then it will move me. So that is what this one. Choose a date from the visual. Next is calendar instead of having them type in it. Next is another corrections of action. Cell phones let you choose from recently dialed hashes or received calls. Next is automatic command completion spell checker. So this is what the preventing the errors. This was the end of the class, end of the slides. So now this is what the second chapter says. So you have the three types. One is called the introduction. Another one is called the principle. Before that, we have the principles, theories, and guidelines. So first one is called the guidelines, second one is called the principles, next is called the what type of the theories. So theories is their last chapter, last topic. We'll see it on Saturday so that it will come to the first unit. So that is what the first chapter entire things. So in this one, you will be having the three topics. One is called the introduction, second one is called the guidelines, the next one is called the principles. Next, what type of theories you have to follow that one. That is what the end of the first chapter. So any doubts if you are having, can ask me. Any doubts? Any doubts? Theories are there. We will see that one next class. So now I'll take the attendance. Answer attendance. Register number 2. Answer attendance. Register number 2. 3.
Yes, sir.
4. 5.
Yes, sir.
6. 7.
Present, sir.
8.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
9. 9. 10. Gorish. 11. 12,
Yes, sir.
13, 12,
Yes, sir.
14,
Well present, sir.
15, 15, Surya Prakash, 16, 17, 18,
Present, sir. Present, sir.
19,
Yes, sir.
20, 22,
Present, sir.
24, 26,
Yes, sir.
Sir, 25 present, sir.
25 present. Okay. 26, Santosh. 27,
Yes, sir.
28, 29,
Present,
Sinchana,
sir.
30,
Yes, sir.
31,
Present, sir.
33,
Present, sir.
34,
Present, sir.
50,
Present, sir.
51,
Present, sir.
52,
Present, sir.
53, 54,
Yes, sir.
55,
Present, sir.
56,
Present, sir.
57,
Present, sir.
58,
Present, sir.
59,
Present, sir.
60, 61, 62,
Present, sir.
63,
Present, sir.
64,
Present, sir.
65,
Present, sir.
66, 68, Shashank,
Present, sir.
69,
Present, sir.
70,
Present, sir. Sir,
71,
61 present, sir.
71 present, sir.
right, 70, 1, Tanuj, is there?
Present, sir.
72, right,
71
72,
present.
right, 72, Tejashwini,
Present, sir.
73, Mehani,
Present, sir.
74, David, 76,
Present, sir.
77, okay. So that's all today's class. So I'll send you one link because we have not conducted any single quiz also in this subject. So we have to conduct one quiz. I'll send it the one link today to your mail ID. You send it and submit it. Okay. Quiz I'll send.
Okay, sir.
Yes, sir.
That you have to do it. Right, sir. So anything else? Why any placement is there? What happened, Sahadev and Rajesh? Ajay?
Yes, sir.
What happened, Sahadev and Rajesh?
Don't know, sir.
Okay. So any placement is there?
No, sir.
Okay. Okay. All right. Then shall we stop today? Yes. I'll be stopping today's class.
Hello.